Really super excited to share this with you guys.
1, 2, 3, hey!
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new to the channel, my name's Cody. This is Crushin Gears. Do yourself a favor, do me a favor. Crush that subscribe button down below. And well, you can't probably tell behind me, but we are in downtown Toronto. Now, because of the title of the video, you guys know what we're doing today. This is a video I've been waiting to film for almost an entire year. I'm so stoked to be able to share this with you guys and to be able to experience for myself. So I met up with my dad. We're going to go for breakfast and then go to the dealership. So cue the food vlog. Got the new R8 Spider. Quick moment of silence for that guy's wallet. Small park ticket, probably like $100. Welcome to the dealership. Hopefully you guys enjoyed breakfast. If you can't tell by now, we are at Mclaren. Behind me we've got a lot of beautiful cars, so check it out. We've always got a great showroom. We've got some Saturns guys here and here. Well, obviously you know by the title of the video, so we got a special delivery here. Just waiting for the sales guy to bring it out. Let's go on inside and see what they have inside. They got some special cars. I'm just so stoked to share this experience with you guys, and I can't wait to see how this turned out in person, because this spec that I chose is it's nice. What can I say? It's going to be the best car of this model in Toronto. Let's go inside and see what they got in stock for inventory. We got lots of 720S. Man, this color combination with the silver rims, the orange and the Mclaren orange, that's nice. It's nice. Not a lot of people go the silver rims anymore. Check out this P1. This is crazy. This is amazing. It's for sale here for $1.8 million. I believe that's in US dollars too. But check out this spec. It's incredible. So we've had a Ferrari, and way over there we've had a Lambo, and yes, way over there we had two R8s, and now we've got a McLaren. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. This is incredible. Got the key to match, so obviously a little bit of a, I guess, indication of what spec we went with. If you guys couldn't tell from the B-roll, you could see a little bit through the covers, but any second now, any second, boys and girls, any second, we are going to see the best spec Mclaren 600 LT Spider in Canada. I promise you guys, so bear with me. Boys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
And usually an hour is not enough time for me to do a delivery, so I was here at 8 doing one.
That is the salesman mark.
Is that titanium or?
No, this is stainless steel.
Stainless, eh?
Only says titanium.
1, 2, 3.
We got the louvers. The set of seats.
This is the only Spider we've done in McLaren orange, so it's got to be like the most fitting color combination for our brand. It's our iconic heritage color. We went racing with it back in the day. There we go. There you go. Give it a lift.
So we finally got a Spider. We finally got doors that go up. Man, this is stunning. I don't even know if you guys can see it clearly on the camera. Wow. Man, I'm just mind blown. Best 600 probably in the country, in my opinion. I'm not biased.
Ready, sir. Ready.
Professionals going to do
We
it.
are going to start it out.
I got the video going here. This is already in Italy. My friends are watching this live in Italy. So, yeah.
So if you guys remember the first 600 LT in Canada, we started up, so you guys might be familiar with the sound, but here we go. Never gets old. That sounds amazing. Man, that's amazing. So obviously you guys know this is my dad's car. I'm so thankful and I'm so honored to have done the spec and chosen the spec. It's really, really cool. I'm so glad I did a couple things he wasn't sure about, and man, did it ever turn out, like the orange seat belts, the center seats, and the louvers. This car is fully loaded besides MSO options, and this thing's incredible. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the spec, and I'm so excited to share more videos with this car on the channel for you guys. I can't wait to share this experience with you. The first Spider and first racing seats too. This is amazing. This is sick.
So does he already have? All right. Jerry, look at that. Too cool.
You know what's good? It retains the line.
Now that we're outside, this thing is amazing. The color pops so much better. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Silver wheels, McLaren orange calipers, McLaren orange, full carbon fiber. Man, it just sounds so good. It just sounds so good. I can't wait to bring more videos with this beast of a car for you guys. We're going to do more in depth on the options, maybe even like my favorite things about the car. So many video ideas with this car. Promise you guys, it's going to be an epic year next year. Yeah, well, obviously, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you like this spec. If you like this spec, make sure to crush that like button for me. Man, I'm so happy. I want to say big congratulations to my dad on yet another car. I'm so honored that I was able to spec this, and I was able to convince him to go with my spec. He's so happy with it, which makes me even happier. And well, just like that, well, you know, let me know what you guys, if you guys want certain videos with the car, let me know in the comments below as well. What kind of videos do you want to see with the car? But I'm just so happy. Man, it's killer, you can tell with the smile on my face. Man, it even sounds so great. One of the best in the business, by the way. I've never personally dealt with them, but I've had a lot of friends that have dealt with them, and they are amazing. I just wonder what's inside this truck. This is almost like Halloween or Christmas for kids. This is amazing. This is the best day ever. I can't stop smiling. This is amazing. We got the brand new 600 LT in the back that we're bringing home today. We're gonna go have some fun. Thank God the sun has come out again and we've got a nice day. And now we got an unexpected sequence in the vlog, so more content for you guys. Just makes the videos are getting that much better, and hopefully you guys are enjoying them. You know, if you're not subscribed, now is a perfect time to subscribe, so crush that subscribe button down below. Wow. Got the set of seats, boys and girls.
Big bumper seats.
Oh. These are actually so comfortable.
They are, eh?
Oh, that sounds good. Wow. A new car smell. Well guys, that concludes today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, a lot more content to come with the car. Let me know in the comments below if you like the spec. If you enjoyed the video, crush that like button, crush that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.